With lockdown measures imposed across much of Europe set to last well into December, many across the continent are beginning to discuss what Christmas might look like. But healthcare systems are continuing to struggle. Many governments are being cautious, not yet announcing what travel rules could look like come the 25th of December. Many countries are finding that their hospitals are currently at capacity. Evelyn Laverick reports.
Italian hospitals are struggling with a shortage of intensive care specialists. COVID-related deaths have surged by 731 in the last 24 hours, the highest daily toll since early April, when Italy was in complete lockdown. But while the availability of intensive care beds has doubled to nearly 10,000, just 625 more anaesthetists and resuscitators have been hired.
There has been a dizzying increase in hospitalizations, and frankly, I cannot tell you when the peak will be reached, if it has already been reached, or if it will be reached in a week or two.
In France, the government has warned that the country's current national lockdown is likely to be extended. It's set to end December the 1st, but any easing of restrictions will be gradual. At Wednesday's Special Defence Council meeting to discuss what shops and businesses should be allowed to open and when, other measures considered included a return of a nightly curfew. Travel restrictions may be relaxed over Christmas. France is also said to be preparing for a massive nationwide anti-COVID-19 vaccination programme as early as next year. And in Switzerland, the government has announced plans to increase financial support for people, businesses and sports clubs hit by the pandemic, and to expand military assistance to overburdened hospitals.
Military personnel are mainly engaged in hospitals. They support intensive care services, intermediary care services and patient transport. Other tasks are not performed. They also support feeding patients and support medical staff in different tasks.
Switzerland's intensive care beds are said to be at full capacity, but the Alpine country continues to resist imposing a second lockdown. Evelyn Laverick, Euronews.